If you love Black Ops 4, whether it's Blackout or standard multiplayer, there's one thing you know for sure: lag kills. In a game needing fast reactions and solid aim, a bad connection is the difference between winning and losing. So, what can you do about it? Well, the number one reason you lag in Black Ops 4 is because of the server you play on. The further it is from your home, the laggier it will be. To give you an idea, here's a map of every single Black Ops 4 dedicated server. They're all over the world. The game could put you on any one of these servers. For example, let's say you live on the west coast of the US. Instead of being placed in one of these two servers for the best connection, you will often be placed in one of these servers on the east coast. The connection difference is massive. And it's the same for everyone, no matter where you live. There is no consistency, and if you're going for that victory or looking to rack up those kill streaks, a consistently great connection is what you need. But there is a solution to all your lag problems. Doomer OS, a router operating system designed from the ground up by gamers to fix your lag. One big feature of Doomer OS is this. It's called the geo-filter, and it's super easy to use. You just set a range from your home to block all the servers you don't want to play on. This forces the game to give you a local, low ping server which will play amazingly. When I search for a Black Ops game, the geo-filter goes to work and blocks every connection outside of the red circle. This forces the game to give me a server really close to my home, which I can then ping to see how good it is. Also, in the rare event I ever get a bad server, I can permanently block it to make sure I never play on it again. Another big cause of your lag is the fact you share your internet with other people in your home. You know what I mean, someone starts downloading and you start rubber banding all over the screen. Doomer OS has the complete toolkit to fix this big problem. The first is anti-buffer bloat. By dragging these sliders, I can limit how much bandwidth everyone in my home can use, meaning there'll be free room for my Black Ops 4 connection. I can also give bandwidth to all the devices in my home. Now, being a gamer, I like to give a load of bandwidth to my consoles and gaming PC to make sure no one can cause me to lag. Finally, there's traffic prioritization, which immediately puts my Black Ops 4 traffic to the front of my network queue to help get the lowest ping possible. Now, let's check out some clips captured on my insane connection.
I make it go.
Doomer OS is available on multiple routers to best fit your needs and budget. Click the link in the description to discover more. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.